Judy hops, starts the neon racetrack. Judy hops, jumps over fire and black. Nick Wild screams loud from the balcony high. Judy hops, shouts to the bone cat to fly. Gazelle is smiling with eyes full of pride. The evil man plans out the trap deep inside. Giant chain hits Judy hops down to the ground. Nick Wild looks down at the crash all around. Gazelle laughs at Judy hops, lost in the dust. Gazelle crosses lines in a firework bust. Evil man holds Gazelle up in the air. They whisper secrets with nary a care. Gazelle lifts the silver trophy over her head. Judy hops cries where the bone cat is dead. Nick Wild wraps bandage in quiet room red. Nick Wild pet skeleton cat on the green. Nick Wild explores where the tomb can be seen. Nick Wild finds glowing gold gem on the stone. Judy hops sits by the window alone. Judy hops walks and the bandage is gone. Judy hops runs to meet Nick at the dawn. Nick Wild shows magic gem shining so bright. Nipnyak dung dog build cat. Gem turns the bone cat to pharaoh gold mold. They look at the strong cat, so brave and so bold. Judy hops wears the gold armor of light. Judy hops rides on the gold cat and flies. Jumping the water with speed and with might. Judy hops stands on the pyramid high. Judy hops and chases the second big race. Nick Wild is shouting from VIP place. Evil man orders the crew to play bad. Gazelle walks out with the fire she had. To racers stand ready to hear the gun sound. Gold cat and red cat are shaking the ground. Gazelle tries to use the trap once again. Gazelle falls in water. Judy hops wins a lane. Control room is sparking. Evil man gets so mad. Nick Wild smiles near the broken box hat. Judy hops uses gem, blasting Gazelle. Gazelle is defeated and breaks the spell. Judy hops crosses line, hugging Nick tight. Evil man blames Gazelle, losing the fight. Judy hops wins. Wild wins. Judy hops wins. Judy hops starts the neon racetrack. Judy hops jumps over fire and black. Nick Wild screams loud from the balcony high. Judy hops shouts to the bone cat to fly. Gazelle is smiling with eyes full of pride. Evil man plans out the trap deep inside. Giant shade hits Judy hops down to the ground. Nick Wild looks down at the crash all around. Gazelle laughs at Judy hops, lost in the dust. Gazelle crosses lines in a firework bust. Evil man holds Gazelle up in the air. They whisper secrets with nary a care. Gazelle lifts the silver trophy over her head. Judy hops cries where the bone cat is dead. Nick Wild wraps bandage in quiet room red. Nick Wild pet skeleton cat on the rivals plot a sharp and cruel design. Makes Judy hops feel lost in the sunshine. Another's glamour seems so grand and fine. So Nick Wild vows that Judy hops will shine. With purpose firm from porch and garden gate. Brave Nick Wild now races against fate. Before the jewels his own upon the scene. He cuts and sews a focused, sharp routine to make for Judy Hopps the royal queen. Now Nick, while leads a waiting, Judy Hopps toward it all. The stunning gown to answer sorrow's call. Now Judy Hopps prepares to stand up tall. With Nick Wilde, she's ready for the ball. Arrival's plot, a sharp and cruel design, makes Judy Hopps feel lost in the sunshine. Another's glamour seems so grand and fine, so Nick Wilde vows that Judy Hopps will shine. With purpose firm from porch and garden gate, brave Nick Wilde now races against fate. Before the jewels, his own dreams have to wait. He sells his watch, a heavy heartfelt weight. He buys a cloth with patterns rich and rare, then leaves the shop with treasures he will share. The crystal shoes, a glitter and a flare, so Nick Wilde rides without a single care. The final piece, a traded sewing machine, then Nick Wilde runs, a blur upon the scene. He cuts and sews a focused, sharp routine to make Nick's pink convertible rides desert flame. Hot wind curls up, a reckless little game. A playful touch, a glance that drifts too long. Judy Hopps appears, everything goes wrong. Explosions bloom, the engine screams and fire. Judy Hopps hits ground, bruised and tired. Nick holds her tight, his voice low and grave. His rage cuts sharp, you'll pay for what you gave. Nick's fury snaps, her car is torn and bent. Gazelle just laughs, cruel incident. They walk away, her tears fall in the sand. Hope cracks apart in Judy Hopps' hands. She pushes wreckage under burning skies. Repairing costs like mountains rise. I have to try. Judy Hopps replies, working hard, Judy Hopps lifts every stone. Washing dirty cars, she stands alone. All tips drop with a tired nod. Serving crowded tables, praying to God. Coins stack higher in the waiting jar. Nick laughs again, mocking who you are. He trips her hard, the pain comes back. I'm just trying to get back. Judy Hopps When strangers pause, their kindness lights the way. They watch in shock at the end of day. Judy pays, the engine starts to hum. Her broken ride reborn, the battle won. Sweet revenge roars, Nick's pink ride collides. Nick stands stranded, nowhere left to hide. Nick's pink convertible rides dead desert flame. Hot wind curls up, a reckless little game. A playful touch, a glance that drifts too long. Names are carved in granite gray for Nick Wilde, a final fateful play. Desert moon, the shadows creep while Judy hops is fast asleep. Nick Wilde and sweet gazelle in a darkened wooden cell. Judy hops awakes in fright in the dim and fading light. Nick Wilde sees her growing dread, gazelle on a rose-strewn bed. A tear rolls down on Nick Wilde's face as Judy screams in this dark place. But Nick Wilde's sorrow is a lie, a cunning glimmer in his eye. A knowing smirk, a whispered plea. Now Judy hops, just follow me. Smash the floor. Now Nick Wilde will smash the ground below. For Judy hops, the path will show, and swift gazelle will make a dash, escaping from the boulders crash. The tunnel shakes, the whole world reels. See how brave a hero feels. Through the door, a final race. Nick Wilde finds a safer place. In the lab with plans so grand, Judy hops takes full command, while Nick Wilde works on the gear and gazelle makes all things clear. But Lionheart holds glowing green, the most toxic thing you've seen. He throws the vial with evil might to turn Judy's day to night. And Lionheart lets out a roar, chasing children to the door. Nick Wilde leads a desperate race to a high and windy place. At the cliff, a final shove from the cruel one they're thinking of. Now Judy hops begins to fall. Will Nick Wilde and gazelle save all? Now Judy hops will climb so high, while warning sirens fill the sky. The heroes arise from down below, for Lionheart a final blow. The robots break, the systems bend. This is Lionheart's bitter end. He breathes the gas, a fatal spin. The evil lion cannot win. Now Lionheart will pay the price. No more lies or cruel device. He wakes inside that box of dread where Nick Wilde was left for dead. The desert moon will be his light for Lionheart, an endless fan-made story, unofficial but so bright. Nick and Judy back for sunshine's golden light. All buckled up and ready for the flight. Are we there yet? The kids' excited plight. A snack explosion, crumbs fly wild and free. Carrots, swords and shields, a playful glee. First sight of ocean fills their hearts with glee. The family arrive where the ocean meets the sand. At the front desk, their vacation now at hand. Watching the sunset paint the sea with gold. The excited kids run, brave and very bold. Playing hide and seek, a story to unfold. Dancing by the window, a sight to behold. Happy family fun, their laughter uncontrolled. Splashing in the water, so happy and so bold. A splashy water war, a fun but tiny spat. They fight on the sand, right where they sat. The whole family plays with joyful sound. The children fight for the ball that's on the ground. One runs away with the prize that has been found. Judy comforts her daughter, no longer crowned. Finding a new surfboard, a chance to be brave. She surfs like a pro inside the crashing wave. The wave pulls her down, Nick dives in to save. Judy runs to hold her, so thankful and so brave. They learn a safety lesson, holding each other near. Now they play safely with nothing left to fear. They coming dawn. A sudden cry from Judy on the street, a frantic dash with worried racing feet. A new life born, their circle is complete. Tina, dum 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 dum. A sunlit room where Nick and Judy's family starts. A playful joke from Nick that warms their hearts. The bubbly bath, the joyful splashing sound. A fluffy mess is scattered all around. In the kitchen, Judy hops and Nick embrace. A playground welcome in a happy sunlit space. A circle of new friends all in their happy place. A sudden horror, the empty cradle's dread. A lost son's footprints on the path ahead. The beam of Judy hops cuts through the gloom. A child in darkness in a lonely earthen room. Then Nick Wilde's arms become his safe relief. Their family's love now ends the night of grief. A lonely serpent feels the winter's bite. Turn from the